As a BM-21 Grad system revealed its position for a Ukrainian drone as it was firing off some rockets. The Ukrainian drone army sent after a drone to chase it down. As the Grad system didn't even get to its hiding location before the drone caught up, the drone strikes from the back. As the vehicle continues a short distance before the crew jumps out and abandons the system, indicating the system has been severely damaged or is about to get destroyed as a possible fire was created, reducing Russia's Grad system by destroying another system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.